Go.
Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. This is from Shein or Shine.
Shein.
Shein. And now let's open it. I got this one. Your phone. I don't know what this is. Another thing.
Dito may ilagay.
A shirt. I think this is a short here. And this is another. This is for beach. It's another shirt. This is for the airport. Durchsichtig. And this is another shorts. I don't know what this is. This is for the phone. Last but not least, this is a shirt. This is a double. I think this is a shirt plus a short suited together.
Can you open?
Yes.
I want to see.
See first this. Okay, this is a shorts with it. It's cute. And this is the shirt.
Okay. You open first all.
Okay, this is for the airport. 360. And this is just another phone case. And this is also like for the phone, so like yeah, click. Okay. This is this is a shorts.
Black shorts.
No, it's actually navy blue.
Okay. Dark color.
Dark color, and this is another shorts, but in gray. I have this also in black. And another shorts, but in jeans theme. Wait, like this. Shorts.
Next one.
This is another shirt. Just a casual shirt, but in
This is nice.
blue.
Blue one.
Yes. This is for the beach if you want to, yeah. Have it like on the top of the bikini or something. It's cute.
Yeah. Next.
Next one is this is just a normal top. This is just a normal top, and it should just look like this. And the good thing is it has pads inside.
Got it.
And we have also another. This is a shirt. I'm just gonna put it
Yung suot
together.
mo.
Hindi mo mas may shirt pa sa loob.
Okay lang.
Shirt. Maganda, tignan.
Just to try.
Put it together and then.
Okay.
Like
Next.
this.
T-shirt.
It's just another t-shirt, but also in beige. It should look like this. Another shirt. But I think this will pass my mother more. And this is a jogging pants. Or not, just pants.
Kulot sa dawas.
Yeah. pants. Parang laki niya. It's XL.
So that's it.
And you have a bag. Scooter bag.
Or makeup bag.
Or just a makeup bag for...
Makeup kit bag.
It's just actually a travel bag. See, open this. And then you can open this like this. And the good thing is it opens like this. Ta-da! And ta-da!
Okay.
Yeah.
For washroom.
For washroom and everything.
This is nice. It's good.
Yeah. That's it. I love it.
And now?
And now, that's it. That's everything for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. And see you next time. Bye-bye.
Dami yan, ah.